Hi, Ricky here from Tech Talk. Today I want to take a look at the iPhone 6. Massive thank you to Vodafone for supplying this. Go and check out all their latest stores and great offers and deals they have on this device. And the 6 Plus as well. All different colours, the gold, the space grey and the silver, all available. And they're all on their red 4G handset devices as well. So today we're going to have a look at sound and vision. And for sound and vision, we're going to go into the iTunes store. So iTunes Store, this is where you purchase your music, your TV shows, your movies, podcasts, audiobooks and everything you need. You will need an Apple ID to purchase this. And then all the way down here at the bottom, they've got a section called pre-orders and they've got now 90. Just wait for this to load. There we go. So in here you can see all the new tracks that have been in the top 40 charts here, and I just wanted to demo some of these. So first one is Uptown Funk. So as I showed you there, the speakers are down here, the speaker is down here at the bottom here. On the right hand side where you see the holes there, that is where your sound comes from, and you've got the 3.5 jack at the bottom as well, and it sounds really good there. So going down, the next one I want to show you is a bit of my favourite, is a Kelly Clarkson one. It's called A Heartbeat Song. Again, just going to turn it up. Fan of that, do like that one. So that is now 90. It's pre-ordered, available on iTunes later this month, I do believe. So we're going to have a look at a film, and the biggest film out at the moment is The Hunger Games. It's just come out. It's The Mockingjay, which is part 1, and it's really good. And this is the story of Katniss Everdeen, as you might have seen in The Hunger Games first and second. So Hunger Games and then Hunger Games Catching Fire. You see her go through the story that's related to the book as well. And I've really enjoyed it. Again, this is purchased through the iTunes store, and you can purchase in HD or in standard definition. So I'm just going to play you the trailer here. Flip it to the side. I'm going to turn it up.
Destroyed her. She's the face of the revolution. Let her see it. Let her go home.
What are you doing here? I came to see you.
Are you fighting Katniss? Are you here to fight with us?
I am. I will.
So, we confirmed. It's her.
Show them what it costs to be friends with Katniss Everdeen.
I have a message for President Snow. If we burn, you burn with us.
Rita, don't you see it? Katniss.
You're alive.
Don't be a fool, Katniss. Urge them to stop this war before it's too late. And ask yourself, can you trust the people you're working with? Kita is the capital's weapon. The same way you're ours.
Whatever strength, courage, madness keeps us going. You find it times like this. I never wanted to leave this. Never wanted to be in the games. I just wanted to save my sister and keep Peeta alive.
Miss Everdeen, it's the things we love most that destroy us.
I urge you, if you haven't seen the first two, make sure you watch the first two as well, because they are really great. Really enjoyed the whole movie series, and I'm very much looking forward to the final part that is due out in November here in the UK. So like I said, if you want to go and check out your local Vodafone stores, new stores opening in Belfast and Leicester, links will be in the description, and you can actually go and grab hold of this phone, can have a play around with it, test it before you buy it, because there is a 6 Plus version, which is a bigger screen, and you might prefer a bigger screen. If not, this is slightly bigger than the original 5S and the iPhone 4S as well, that Apple always stuck to the same sort of size screen. So thanks always for watching. Please drop a thumb ups on the video, and I'll see you on my next one. Bye for now.